Guy Wallace, and I'd like to talk to you about Enterprise Wiki architectures. Specifically, architecting an enterprise's wiki architecture. And we'll look at it as an employee-centric and process performance-centric approach for organizing content and attempting to minimize overlaps and gaps of that content. How would one go about creating an architectural framework for all of the wikis of an enterprise so as to share what content should be shared, what is common, and also enable unique content as well? And specifically, how to avoid gaps and overlaps. The simplest way is to use your current organization structure. Look at your organization charts and lay out your architectural structure for your enterprise wiki architecture to align to support all of the organizations and thereby all of the organization's processes. Use that organization chart structure and the management areas of performance framework for a process orientation for your enterprise wiki architecture. Each department has unique core content needs aligned to their unique processes, and common leadership and support content needs aligned to some other department's processes. The management areas of performance framework: leadership, core, and support. There are 6 leadership processes. There are 4 core processes. And there are 4 support processes. Starting with the core processes and planning work, assigning work, monitoring work, and troubleshooting work. All levels of management are involved in the core areas of performance for management: planning work, assigning work, monitoring work, and troubleshooting work. The lower you are in the management hierarchy, the more your job is focused on this. The higher you are in the hierarchy, the less you are focused on this. The leadership management areas of performance, beginning with stakeholder relationship management, strategic planning and management, operations planning and management, results measurement planning and management, process improvement planning and management, communications planning and management. The higher one is in the organizational structure as a manager, the more one's job focuses on this. However, middle managers also have a role to play in this, as well as lower level managers and individual contributors. The support management areas of performance, starting with process design and redesign. Human assets management, everything from organization and job design, recruiting and selection, succession planning, training and development, performance appraisal, compensation and benefits. Environmental assets management, all the non-human assets that are required: facilities, raw goods, financial capital, etc. And special assignments, because many managers are involved in special assignments. The support management areas of performance are typically the province of middle management, for they enable. The management areas of performance framework segregates the shared processes of management from the unique processes of management. Each department is unique in the processes that they own. Each function in your enterprise wiki architecture can be organized as this graphic shows, simply aligned to the organization structure that you currently have. Look at your own structure. How is your enterprise organized? Are there divisions and business units between the top of the organization and the functional level of the organization? And then are there departments or teams below that? If you had to count for every person on the payroll, what level would you finally go to capture all of them with minimum overlaps and gaps? We can use that same structure to look at the leadership, core, and support areas of performance and tie the shared processes together while allowing for the core processes that make each department unique, unless there's redundancy by design. You can learn more about the management areas of performance in my free book. It's a PDF available at www.eppic.biz. That's epic.biz. I also have a blog and a wiki that addresses enterprise wiki architectures. Plus, there's a quarterly article series on enterprise process performance architecture within the EPI, Enterprise Process Performance Improvement, article series at Business Process Trends, which is at www.bptrends.com. Thank you, and I hope you found this informational.